Now that we have characterized the camera, let's build a spectrometer. You can see that the spectrometer has been assembled here and connected to a computer. The spectrometer includes a slit followed by a lens tube, a grating, a second lens tube, and then the camera that we looked at earlier. The lens tubes can be moved within a reasonable amount to adjust for focus and field of view. The first step is to fix the spectral range of the spectrometer. I'm going to use an argon lamp because it emits discrete spectral lines. As I adjust the lenses, you can see that the lines coming into focus. You can also see the characteristic smile that we had discussed. I will now align the peak at 965 nanometer to a specific pixel position. This will be consistent across all spectrometer builds, making every PPO spectrometer build identical. Now that the spectral calibration is complete, we are going to adjust the spectrometer for its field of view. Now you can see there is an external lens to the spectrometer and it is placed at a distance from a target to mimic the PPO smart imaging system. The dark lines indicate the range within which I want the spectrometer to work, and with the halogen lights on, I'm going to again move the lenses. By doing this, I'm changing its magnification. I can see that the spectrometer is within the acceptable field of view and also in focus, so I will be locking this position down. The next step is applying corrections. We are going to start by looking at the smile. You will notice that the smile in itself is not symmetrical. We can fix it by gently rotating the slit around. After some patient work, the smile is now corrected. Now we will measure for Keystone correction, which we had also discussed in the webinar. And here is the target. I'm going to take an image of the straight lines and apply a correction to it. Now that these tests are done, I'll do a final series of checks to make sure the spectrometer meets all the required parameters. And when I'm done, the spectrometer is now ready to be installed onto the PPO system. So let's go and see that.